Class 10th Geography, Chapter Mineral and Energy Resources, Part 2. Energy is an essential input for industrial and economic development and for improving the standard of living. Energy output is obtained from commercial sources like coal, petroleum, and electricity. The energy sources which cannot be compensated once these are used after the exploitation are termed as conventional energy sources. Example: coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Conventional sources are exhaustible. They cause pollution when used as they emit smoke and ash. They are very expensive to be maintained, stored, and transmitted. During the 17th century, coal energy became the heart of the Industrial Revolution. It became the primary source of energy for households and industries in equal measure. Types of coal. Coal is a conventional source of energy. It is inflammable organic substance composed of hydrocarbons found in sedimentary rocks. Coal is the main source of power generation in India. Most of the industries, example iron and steel, and variety of chemical industries, depend upon the availability of coal for the intake of power. Depending upon the percentage of carbon present, four varieties of coal are there: anthracite, bituminous, lignite, and peat. Anthracite. It is the best quality of coal and contains over 80% carbon. It is hard, compact, and black in color. It is found only in Jammu and Kashmir in small quantity. Bituminous coal. It is the most widely used variety of coal and contains about 60 to 80% of carbon. Its calorific value is very high due to high proportion of carbon and low moisture content. It is mainly used for heating steam raising and production of coke. It is mostly found in Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and Madhya Pradesh. Lignite. It is also called brown coal. It is of inferior quality. It is friable in nature. It contains more of moisture and less of combustible matter. It is found in Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Assam, and Jammu and Kashmir. Peat. It is the first stage of transformation of wood to coal. It contains about 50 to 60% carbon. It emits more smoke and leaves lot of ash after burning. Uses. Coal is used in generation of power. It is used in the generation of electric power for mineral-based industries like iron and steel and cement industries. The demand of coal for railways has been reduced due to electrification of railways. Coal mining is hazardous. It can be dangerous due to occurrence of poisonous gases in the mines. Indian coal is mostly associated with Gondwana series of rocks and is primarily found in peninsular India. Distribution of coal: Gondwana coal fields. Jharkhand. Jharkhand has the largest reserves of coal in India. The main coal fields are Jharia and Bokaro. Other states where coal is found are Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. Tertiary coal fields are new and mostly consist of lignite and peat. They have less carbon content and of poor quality. These deposits are found in Kashmir, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Rajasthan, and Tamil Nadu. Advantages of coal energy: affordable and stable prices, easy to burn, no dependence on climatic conditions. Coal is versatile. It reduces dependence on oil. It is safer as compared to nuclear energy. Disadvantages of coal energy: environmental impact. Burning coal emits harmful wastes such as carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid, arsenic, ash, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide. Emissions of carbon dioxide from coal burning also accounts for the additional 65% of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, increasing greenhouse gases. The pollution it causes also may lead to acid rain in some areas. Coal mining impact. The coal seams are surrounded by plants, rivers, or other natural landscapes, and digging for coal may destroy forest areas that serve as wildlife habitat. It affects the ecosystem and biodiversity. Impact on miners' health. Underground mining is prone to cave-ins and explosions. The health of the people living close to the mines is at risk. Constant exposure to harmful gases can lead to respiratory diseases, lung cancer, black lung due to coal dust, and congestive heart failure. Non-renewable source. Although widely available at present, coal deposits are depleting fast. Petroleum or mineral oil. The word petroleum has been derived from two Latin words, petrol meaning rock and oleum meaning oil. Thus, petroleum is the oil obtained from rocks, particularly sedimentary rocks of the earth. Therefore, it is called mineral oil. Petroleum is an inflammable liquid that is composed of hydrocarbons, which constitute 90 to 95% of petroleum, and the remaining is chiefly compounds containing oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Uses of petroleum. It is the main source of many products like petrol, kerosene, and diesel oil, paraffin wax, Vaseline, and benzene. It is used for making paints, medicines, plastic, and fertilizers. It is the most important raw material for chemical industry. Distribution of petroleum. Oil was first discovered in India at Makum in the northeast part of Assam in 1867. The main areas of mineral oil deposits are offshore sea at Mumbai High, Basin and area bit, Digboy in Assam, Ankleshwar in Gujarat. Major oil fields in India. Oil fields of India are of two types, namely onshore oil fields and offshore oil fields. Onshore oil fields in northeastern India, Digboy in Assam. Onshore oil fields in western India, Ankleshwar in Gujarat. Onshore oil fields in southern India, Godavari Basin and Kaveri basins have become now prospective oil fields of India. Offshore oil field is in the Mumbai High region, out in the Arabian Sea. Maharashtra, Mumbai High, Gujarat, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Arunachal Pradesh are also some other oil mining states. Mumbai High offshore oil field. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Commission, discovered on the continental shelf area off the coast of Maharashtra, about 176 kilometers northwest of Mumbai in 1974. Other offshore oil fields are at Basin, located further south of Mumbai High, and Elizabeth Island, close to Bhavnagar in the Gulf of Cambay. Other oil fields. Apart from these areas, oil has also been discovered in the Kaveri, Krishna and Godavari basins. The important oil refineries also include the ones at Cochin, Chennai, Vishakhapatnam, Haldia and Barauni. Jamnagar Refinery is the world's largest private sector crude oil refinery. The refinery complex is located at Jamnagar in Gujarat. It is owned and operated by Reliance Industries. Advantages of petroleum: it can be extracted easily, it has high density, it can be extracted at low cost. Disadvantages of petroleum: although oil is a natural fossil fuel, its source is now limited. Environmental pollution: extracting and burning oil generates greenhouse gases that contribute to environmental pollution and global warming. It is non-renewable form of energy. The depletion of fossil fuel leads to limited supply of petroleum. We will continue with the next part in the next video.